Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert Facebook add friend button to follow button. Usually we have add friend button on our Facebook profile, but we can convert it to follow button. It's mean remove the add friend button and add follow button. If you like to keep add friend button and show followers on your profile, please check the video description. Someone looking for your Facebook profile like this. They seen your profile usually only with add friend button. This is the account. I am going to convert add friend button to follow button. If you wish you enable Facebook followers like this, watch the video description. Anyone can send friend requests like this, not followings. To enable this follow icon only Facebook profile, open your Facebook profile. Then press triple dots here and locate setting and privacy. Then open setting and select privacy setting. If you wish to show your followings, you can make it public. Open. Who can send you friend requests? Make it friends of friends. Now we are done. Let's check what happened to our profile. I am searching with another account. Here we go. Add friends button gone and follow button came. Now you can increase followers without limit. Followers can send message to you. No need to accept them. This is the tutorial. Give a comment me below, is it work or not? Subscribe me for more videos. Thank you for watching us. See you again.